guys, it is the festive season, and as such, are you planning to travel in Africa or outside Africa? So today we are in the streets of Nairobi and we're going to be asking Kenyans what are the top 3 famous airlines in Africa. Yeah, and also you can leave a comment for us down in the comment section. Which is your favorite or most popular airline? Let us know in the comment section. So come with us, let's go find out. Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
I guess I'm Desmond, MC Desmond.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, could you name for us 3 most popular airlines in Africa?
Since I'm a Kenyan, I'll start with Kenya Airways, Ethiopian Airways, South African Airways.
Is there a reason for why you picked the 3?
Yeah. I picked the 3 because especially I'm a Kenyan, and there's a thought going around that Kenyan Airways is the most popular airline that carries a large number of people. I guess that's why I like Kenya Airways.
And if you're traveling and you are given a choice to pick between one of these 3 airlines, which one would you prefer?
Between Kenya Airlines, Ethiopian Airlines, and South African Airlines. I think I just pick Ethiopian Airlines at least to change something.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time.
Okay.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good.
What's your name?
Skele the Poet.
Skele the Poet.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, which do you think are the 3 most popular airlines in Africa?
1, Kenya Airlines. 2, Ethiopian Airlines. 3, South African Airlines. Yeah.
Is there a reason why you mentioned the 3?
Yeah, because I mentioned the 3 because the first 2 are popular in my head. Actually, I've got a privilege to travel through Kenya Airlines, but not through Ethiopian Airlines. I was supposed to defer there, then go to other. So I have an experience with the Ethiopian Airlines a little bit. Yeah. South African, I'm not quite sure, but I think there's an airline in South Africa called South African Airlines. Yeah.
Okay, so and given an opportunity to travel again, and you're given an opportunity to choose between the 3 airlines, which one would you pick?
You know, they say you must explore. I haven't explored South African Airline. I'll explore it.
Okay.
Explore it. You know, I'll explore it. No, maybe their flight attendant are so good. I don't know. Maybe Kenya, I'm used to them. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time.
Welcome.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Benjamin, but my stage name, the name that pays my bills, MC Dangote Art Magic. Yeah.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, could you name for us 3 airlines that you think are the most popular airlines in Africa? 3
airlines that I know they are popular in Africa. I'll go with Kenya Airways, Ethiopian Airline, and then there is South African Airline. Yeah.
Is there a reason why you mentioned the 3?
Yeah, because they are the best. They are the best. There's a lot of comfort. Many people use them, the big artists like us. The other time I remember when I was traveling to Ethiopia, I used Kenya Airways, and then when I was coming back to the country, I used Ethiopian. I know you cannot believe me, but that's the fact, and I know myself.
Okay, so that brings me to the next question, which partly you've answered. If you were to fly with any of these aeroplanes, which one would you prefer?
Ethiopia Airline.
Is there a reason?
The air hostess. And then it has a lot of comfort. The VIP part, the regular part. Wow, it's so nice. I would like to travel with it again and again and again and again. Yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time.
Thank you too.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Mr. Fanny 254.
Okay.
Yes.
So today we're asking Kenyans,
Yes.
could you name for us what you think are the 3 most popular airlines in Africa?
We have Kenya Airways, and we have Malawi Airlines, and South African Airways.
Is there a reason you mentioned the 3?
Yes, there's a reason. Yes, because for Kenya Airways, I think it's the most popular here in Kenya, whereby maybe you get some people. It attracts. It used to transport the transportation of tourists and importation of get like oil, some goods into the country. And for South African, the same. Yeah.
Okay, so if you had to travel and you're given an opportunity to pick between one of these airlines, which one would you go for?
Kenya Airlines, of course. Yes, because I'm in Kenya, and that is more accessible compared to the others. Yes.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much.
Hi, how are you?
I'm so fine.
What's your name?
Michelle Christels.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, could you name for us 3 most popular airlines in Africa?
Damn. Kenya Airways. Ethiopian Airlines. I don't know, Emirates or something. Yeah.
Okay, and if you're given an opportunity to travel with one of these airlines, which one would you prefer?
I would prefer Emirates.
Emirates, why?
Yeah, because I hear they have good service and stuff like that. And then, you have a TV that you watch and you eat gourmet meals. I would rather enter Emirates. If I enter a Kenya Airways, they'll actually treat me like a Kenyan. So I want them to treat me like somebody who's actually so premier. Yep.
Okay.
You want to give me a chance? Oh my God. I'm so happy. Give me a chance.
Okay, I'll look for you later.
Will I? I don't even know Kiswahili.
Okay, and where, if I gave you a chance, where would you like to travel to?
Jamaica!
You really love Jamaica?
You're gonna smoke weed and twerk. Yep.
Okay, I'll look for you to do an episode about Jamaica as well.
Wagwan.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time.
I hope I've not wasted it.
No. Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
What's your name?
My name is Poetic Smatic.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans, can you name for us 3 most popular airlines in Africa?
Oh, okay. There is this one called Fly Emirates, Kenya Airlines, Malawi Airlines. Yeah.
Those ones, you can find them in Africa?
Yeah, you can find them in Africa.
And given a chance, if you had to travel, which of these 3 airlines would you prefer to travel with?
Fly Emirates. Yeah.
Why?
I think from the name itself, manze ina feel like unaweza kaka comfortable uko ndani tu hivyo. Like haina nationality ya any country. That's why I prefer to use it.
Okay. So thank you so much for your time.
Welcome.
Hi, how are you?
Hi.
What's your name?
Timelines.
Timelines. Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, could you name for us 3 popular airlines in Africa, in your own opinion?
Airlines. Kuna
Which do you think are the 3 most popular?
Kuna Kenya Airways, kuna Ethiopian Airlines, kuna South African Airlines.
Is there a reason why you mentioned the 3?
Yeah, obviously because they are in Africa, and I when you think of traveling in a plane, you obviously I don't consider going somewhere far from home.
Okay. And if you had the opportunity to travel and you were given an opportunity to choose between one of these airlines, which one would you prefer?
Kenyan Airways.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time.
Thank you for your time.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm fine, thank you. What's your name?
The Beast, the Kisii Beast, yeah.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans, could you name for us 3 most popular airlines in Africa?
Most popular airlines in Africa. How shall I know one?
Okay, which do you think are the most popular airlines in Africa?
I'm not conversant of that because I don't like using airlines. Just use matatu. Yeah, cause.
Okay, and if you were given an opportunity to travel, let's say abroad or anywhere using an aeroplane, which airline would you pick?
I can't agree to suspend myself on there. I can't. That's one is risking myself. Kwani sijipendi?
So even using roads, you're risking yourself.
Yeah. The reason why I don't like traveling air is that they shake you too much. Whenever you how can I say it?
When you travel by air.
When I travel by air, they shake me. So whenever I reach the destination, nimechoka sana.
You're too tired.
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time.
I appreciate.